boys and girls? Welcome back to Growing Guitar. Thank you so much, all my returnees. And if you're new here, make sure you subscribe to this channel. We have a great song playlists all over the place, and many newer and older songs as well. So a variety of songs, and you can even wish for your own song here on Growing Guitar. Just put a comment wherever you want, and I read everything, and we'll bring them up on Wednesdays. So that's the ingredients here on Growing Guitar. So make sure you become a member of this family. Now let's go into this one. Ali Gatie. The alligator is back here, and we have a playlist like I already mentioned here, and his playlist is about 30 songs or so here in Growing Guitar. So we will add this one to it. It's waiting for you. So yeah, we're gonna have the setup with the capo on the second fret. That's the first starting point, and with that we have 4 easy chords to handle. So let's go into the chords. We're gonna start with this C variation. Okay, it's the C at 9, and it goes 3rd on A, 2nd on G, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. And this 3rd B and 3rd E will stay with us through entire chord progression here. So next will be the E minor. So that will be open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, and still 3rd B and 3rd E. We have G next. That goes 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, 3rd E, and then we have the G F sharp chord. That is basically to move the 3rd fret on E string to the 2nd, and for that perhaps you have to recuperate the fingers to this, right? So it gives us 2nd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Now, let's start with the melody, and we're going to do it chord by chord. And we have 1 chord progression, and that is in the order we'll learn the chords. So C, E minor, G, and the F sharp. That is what's going on through the entire song. So let's start with the C part, and it goes. So you're going to play 3rd on A, open G, 3rd high E, 2nd high E, open G, 3rd A, and 3rd B. So slowly. Okay, then let's go into the E minor, and you can just hold the bottom there, the 3rd B and 3rd E if you want to, and you're gonna play like this. That is to play open E string in the bass, then open G, then 3rd high E, 2nd high E, open G, open E in the bass, and 3rd B. So slowly. Next chord is G, and you follow the same pattern almost. It goes like this. That is to play 3rd fret E string in the bass now, then open G, 3rd high E, 2nd high E, 3rd B, 3rd E in the bass, and back to 3rd B. So slowly. And then we have the final chord, the F sharp, and it goes. That is to play 2nd fret on E string now in the bass, open G, 3rd high E, 2nd high E, open G, 2nd E in the bass, and 3rd B. And that ends the melody. So 1 round goes like this. usually play like that from the beginning till the very end. But of course, you can switch up to some strumming as well, like we normally can with the Ali Gatie songs. You usually have this DNA melody and simple strumming, and that's it. So the strumming now, if you start with the first chord, the C, now you have to hold the full chords as they are, of course, and you will play down, 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 clap, down, down, down. All right, it's a pretty long one, and that means you're going to play 4 downs first, and then a clap, and then finish off with 3 downs. So 1, 2, 3, 4, clap, 1, 2, 3. That is 1 round. So you're going to play one of those per chord. So C1, E minor 1, G1, F sharp 1, like this. And go back and forth with the melody or strumming however you want. That is how you play Ali Gatie's Waiting for You. Hope you enjoyed it, and until next time, play tuned.